Assalamu alaikum and good afternoon, grade 1. How are you all doing? Good? That's very great. Yes, I'm also good. Alhamdulillah. Thank you and welcome to your social studies class. In today's class, we will be doing a new topic and the topic name is the weather, right? We will be talking about the weather today. Okay. So tell me which weather is yours favorite? Yes. Let's discuss it one by one. Which is your favorite weather and why do you like it? Yes. So let's start from Hassan. Yes, Hassan, which is your favorite weather? You like rainy day. Okay. And why so? Lovely. Okay. So do you ask your mother to make some fried food, some special food for you? Very well done. Okay. So let's ask Amna. Yes, Amna, which is your favorite weather? You like sunny day. Why so? In winters. Okay. And what about summers? Wonderful. Okay. Let's ask Aliza. Yes, Aliza, which is your favorite weather? Okay, so now according to this, let's say when we say that it's a sunny day, it's a cloudy day, it's a rainy day, whatever we say, can you make a definition of weather by this? What is a weather basically? Okay, let's make a very simple definition. Weather is basically what is going on outside right now is your weather. What's the condition outside? That when you look outside from your window, what can you see? Is it sunny? Is it cloudy? Are there clouds in the sky? Are there sun? Is it hot? Is it cold? Is it raining? Is it not? See, is it snowing? So this basically tells us that what's the weather is. So the weather is basically that what is outside, what is happening outside, what is the condition outside, right? And the four weathers, the common weathers are there are something in between as well. Let's say there are some days on which it's a bit sunny and a bit cloudy as well, right? But the common one are sunny, cloudy, rainy, snowy, right? These are the four common. Then there are something which are in between as well. Let's say I have told you that there are some days on which we have a bit sunny and a bit cloudy, a combination of this. There are some days on which a bit sunny and bit rainy as well. Have you seen that? That the sun is over here and that it's raining as well, right? Then on some days we have the sunny and cloudy combination. Well, cloudy and rainy combination is also seen, right? So there are some in between as well, but the common weathers are these four. Okay, and the weather, what is the weather? Weather is basically what is outside, right? Okay, now if you talk about that, is the weather same throughout the world? No, it's even differ from the very short distance as well. See, let's say it's sunny over here at my area and me and some of you, let's say Eliza lives closer to me at 20 minutes, right? And there is cloudy over there or there is raining over there, but there is no rain on my area, right? So the weather changes and it's all a natural phenomena. It all happens on the, yes, it's all up to God, but there is no yes, exactly right. So it's all natural, it's all natural phenomena, and we don't have any instinct, like we cannot change our weather by our own mood, right? So, and the weather differs at a very short distance, and there is no proper science behind that, right? It's all natural. So, weather changes, it's not the same everywhere. But yes, if we talk about the summer season, so the weather is hot everywhere, right? In summer, if we talk about the weather of summer in Pakistan, it's hot everywhere. Overall, in general, we can say that. But if we talk about the different cities, different areas, yes, it differs at a very short distance. Let's say over here the temperature is this degree centigrade, in the other city it is this degree centigrade, over here this. So yes, there are variations, but overall, if we talk about in general about one season, it's same. Let's say summer is hot, winter is cold, right? Or in some areas it's snowy. If it's raining sometimes, like you have heard in the news that it would be raining in this week in the north of Pakistan, in the south of Pakistan, right? So yes, the weather is same in general, but there are variations over a distance as well, right? Okay, now I'm going to share the screen with you. There is this interesting video that we will watch related to the weather, and then we will continue with our discussion. Okay. Okay, this was a very interesting video, and I like the sound of bird chirping. You see that all of the basically the symbols they have drawn, these are the symbols used for different weathers. You might have seen these symbols usually on different news channels. Over here on one corner, the date is written, and beside that, there is this small symbol which shows the weather and how is the weather right now, right? Similarly, this type of this is also shown if some of you have visited or seen the weather app in your mobile phones. Let me show you that there is a weather app in your mobile phones as well. If you when you click on this, the same symbols are over here. Let me show it to you in my mobile. See over here, this is the weather page. So this sunny, this shows that on that day it would be sunny weather. Over here the clouds with little sun, this mean that it would be little cloudy and bit sunny as well. So these are the all of the symbols which were in the video. These are basically symbols which are used to show about the weather, right? Okay, now let's move forward and I'll introduce you with the weather vocabulary, okay? So over here going to show you the vocabulary of the weather. So have a look. Is my screen visible? Okay, great. So see, this is the weather vocabulary. Let's start with this. Like I was telling you that there are symbols. So this symbol is used for sunny. Then this is for rainy. There are clouds and the water is dripping from them. Then we have this rainbow season. See, I told you that there are four the common weathers, right? But we have a in between as well. Let's see this rainbow. It occurs between a rainy and a sunny time, right? Then we have this cloudy and a bit sunny. Then we have the windy when there are wind blowing everywhere. Then we have the cyclone as well. We have this puddle, then we have this snowy, then we have this thunder, which occurs before the storm. Then we have this stormy, cold, and then hot as well, right? So these are the different weathers that we have, and it's a weather vocabulary, right? So if you want to, like, okay, tell me how many of you were familiar with all of these words before? Lovely. What is new for you? This puddle? Okay. Yes, Elisa, for you? Thunder? Okay. Vase? Rainbow, wonderful. So this has added something in your previous knowledge. Okay, now I want all of you to please open your book, page number 43. Let's do the reading of this page 43. Okay, so Ali and his friends are going on a school trip and want to know what the weather is like. They want to plan a trip, and they beforehand they want to know that how would the weather be on that day. So when you ask what the weather is like, you want to know if it is sunny, windy, cloudy, or rainy. These are four basics, right? The students of class 1 recorded the weather for 1 week. So class 1 students, they recorded the weather and they see that on Monday it was cloudy, on Tuesday it was sunny, on Wednesday it was windy, on Sunday it was a bit cloudy and a bit sunny. Then on Friday it was raining, on Saturday it was again windy, and on Sunday it was bright sunny, right? So what do you see in these pictures and what is the weather like? Like I have told you about all of these pictures. Now, what is your class activity? What I want you to do is that make a similar chart. Observe the weather throughout the week, starting from today. It's Wednesday today, right? Observe the weather today. Note it down on Thursday, then on Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. So when you will be coming in Monday's class, inshallah, I'll ask you that what is the chart that you have made and made small pictures like this as well. Or if not, you can draw the symbols which I have shown you for different weathers. Got it? Was the lecture interesting? You guys enjoyed it? Wonderful. Share this video with others and revise the lecture at your home. I'll be seeing you tomorrow. Take care. Allah Hafiz.